Welcome aboard the Carnival Mardi Gras. Who's ready for a room tour? Check out these awesome views, giving us all the vacation vibes already right outside in the hallway here. But we're gonna take a look at Stateroom 4266, and if you wanna have some amazing views on board in your stateroom, first you need to turn on the lights with your key card, and then we can see the rest of the room. But if you guys are wanting to go on an amazing cruise and score some great deals, great views on incredible ships just like this, check the link in the description box. Drop us an email, as MEI Travel is going to get you hooked up for a fantastic experience on board a cruise. Thank you so much to MEI for sponsoring this video, and let's do the room tour. Here we are at Stateroom 4266. Walking right on in. You need to use your key card to turn the lights on, and you can come on in and see the room. So we just dropped our stroller in, but walking right on in, you have your door tags, your breakfast menus, the bathroom to the left, and your storage closets, wardrobe to the right. Take it all in. So it's quite beautiful with the blues, whites. It looks very crisp and very clean. My goodness, it is a very beautiful room. We are back in our room, did a little live stream, a little ship tour, a little walking around and enjoying. And guess what? We have some gifts, and it was actually a viewer who told me that we get to keep these gifts. I didn't read the paper yet, so I want to show you guys some fun here. We have some commemorative gifts here. First is a Carnival Mardi Gras inaugural season lanyard, so we can wear these around, perfect for our sail and sign card. And additionally, we also get these books here of the Carnival Mardi Gras. So inside it tells you all about the ships, the officers, and the story of how the ship was 5 years in the making until coming to this first sailing. So really, really cool that we get to keep this. Like, maybe I should get Christine Duffy to sign it since she's on board. That's an idea. But really, really cool. So thank you, Carnival, for these lovely gifts. Everyone on board is getting one. And now we're just gonna unpack, because our suitcases are here. Our lovely room steward even brought them into the room, so they weren't in the hallway. So time to get a little organized, and we're on it so early that, and into our room so early that it's like, well, why not get organized? Hello, ladies. Yeah. All right, we're on the Lido. We're getting ready. The sun's shining. We're getting ready for a party. All right. I love me some Outcast. The SAILAWAY party is supposed to have a special guest. I wonder who. Exciting. Let's shake it up and get ready to sail away. What do people say? What do you think?
Oh yes, that's right. Carnival Mardi Gras. If you're happy to be on a cruise ship right now, let's
dance party all to myself. Mardi Gras! These are bees!
and give it up to the man spinning those decks and making me feel good. Let's hear for DJ Trav! Don't forget, folks, you can see me and the Fun Squad tonight at 7.
Friends, we just got back to the room, and we have the Mariner of the Seas, which is sailing on by Hasta la vista, bon voyage, ciao for now to the Mariner. We've actually sailed on that ship. She is lovely as well. So right now, we're in the room and we're recharging a bit after that sail away because it was muy calor, super hot out, a lot of fun, dancing our little booties off. And we have reservations in Chibang this evening. So this is the Chinese and Mexican cuisine mix, the fusion between the two. So we'll cruise hard! Cruise hard! It's a little bit muffled. I'm not sure if you'll actually be able to hear it, but I think that was Mariner's cruise horn. So we're actually going to be leaving soon as well. So Mariner just left, and then we're going to be pulling out in about a half an hour. So we're gonna freshen up a bit, change our clothes, get ready for dinner, and the evening awaits. All right, we just heard the cruise on. Getting ready to push off. Catching a little bit of the sail away, and then it'll be time for dinner, but will we be seeing anyone waving? Hello, hello! How are you? Good, good. All right, so the fun shops are open. We have a specific carnival store, which is really awesome. Lots of people on both sides here, but they have stuff for us to check out, specific merchandise just for the Mardi Gras. So how stinking cool is all of this? All right, so just got out of Punchliner Comedy Club, Billy D. Washington, and it was actually a little bit late, unfortunately, but whoa, it was packed in there, really full. I was surprised that it was actually standing room only, so I stood for the show, and people were just kind of coming in, and I couldn't believe, but there's multiple showings throughout the theater. He's here all week, so we'll see if the other shows, less people will kind of come because they already saw it. There is the adult shows and kid-friendly shows. This was the adult show. So everybody's filing out of the Punchliner Comedy Club, and now we've got to figure out what's the move to go see next. I hear live music on board here in the piano bar, and this looks packed as well. So we're on the floor with Grand Central, so everyone wants to kind of party and enjoy the ship as it's the first night. We'll go a little bit further down. So I'm walking through Grand Central, and I think this is pretty cool since they're performing back here, but there's TVs all throughout as I'm right next to Java Cafe, and basically it makes it so that there's no bad seat and you can enjoy from all the way back here because it's quite the depth of all of this. And if you guys are enjoying the vlog and you want to go on a cruise, make sure to check out our sponsors of this video, MEI Travel. Open the description box below for the email to get booked on your next vacation. I was standing here because I wanted to catch the comedian's name, and then it went away, and then you have to wait until it comes back. So now it's about to come. Lots of music. a lot of fun in Grand Central. I really like hanging out there. It was interesting because we were sitting there. I ran into a bunch of the other creators, got to chit-chatting for a bit and talking about the comedy show that I saw. And then it was interesting because there's the second comedian as well, a different one showing up a little later. I won't make it to that one tonight, but I'll make him tomorrow. And it's just, there's so much going on. And we passed the piano bar as well, and that was completely full, along with the Punchliner Comedy Club. So it's kind of interesting because when I saw these venues empty, I thought that they wouldn't be so full, and they were very full. So everyone is very excited and eager because it's the first night. People want to get back to seeing all that the ship has to offer. So it'll be interesting to see a little later throughout the cruise if it stays as busy in these venues, but they are popular anyway. So we've had a beautiful day, and the only other thing that I realized I didn't update you guys on was our embarkation. So the process with that was actually we had a little bit of a hiccup that I mentioned that I was going to recap on, and it was because we didn't print the form for our daughter because she is not vaccinated, because she's not old enough, and I printed all the other stuff except for that one form. So we did have to go into a separate line, and it caused a little bit of a delay. It wasn't a big deal, they could pull it up and everything, but that was the one thing that advice for embarkation day is make sure you have every paper printed, because we missed that one and it caused us a little bit of time. So friends, I think we will call it. It's been an awesome day. Oh my gosh, day one is over. Holy crap. Wow. So much more to explore on this beautiful ship. It's really like no other for Carnival. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Check out these other two videos that I know you will enjoy as well. And until next time, ciao for now.